Pagpapatuloy natin ang pag-aaral ng micrometer caliper o screw gauge. Sa seryeng ito, ating pag-aaralan kung paano mag-adjust ng reading sa screw gauge. This time, we will study how to adjust the reading when there is a zero error in the screw gauge. Before starting the measuring process, see to it that the horizontal line, the main scale, and the line in the circular scale should match or align with their zeros. So the main scale and the line of the zero in the circular scale should match horizontally. That is a normal setting. We call it no zero error, and you can proceed with the measuring process without any problem. However, sometimes when we match the zero line, the zero level in the main line, the zero is dislodged either above or below the horizontal line. So in this case, zero is below the horizontal line. And this is what we call the positive zero error. When zero is above the horizontal line, we call it the negative zero error. So how do we correct this? Especially if we have some zero errors. So let's take this positive zero error. The horizontal line of the main scale shows that it is aligned with number 4. So this number 4 is the positive zero error, which is plus 0.04, since one line is 0.01. So the positive zero error value is plus 0.04 mm. When 0 is above the line, or horizontal line, we call it the negative zero error. So in this case, 0 is one line above the horizontal. And the value in this diagram is minus or negative 0.01 because the 0 is one line above the horizontal. So how do we correct this? For example, this value in the main scale and the circular scale. In this example, the main scale is 8 millimeters. So if we count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 millimeters. The circular scale is aligned with the horizontal and the main scale, and it points to 0.14 mm. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 0.14 mm in the circular scale. The initial reading, of course, will be 8 plus 0.14 equals 8.14 millimeters. But we have to take note that we have a zero error here. So to correct that, the main scale plus circular scale plus or minus the positive zero error. So ms plus is minus the positive zero error. So in this case, the true reading will be 8 plus 0.14 minus positive 0.4 error reading. So the correct reading will be 8.1 millimeters. We actually subtract the zero error to the reading once we use this kind of screw gauge with positive error. And negative zero error screw gauge. For example, to correct that, the main scale here, the reading is 12 mm, and the circular reading is 0.29 mm. So you have 29 lines that match with the horizontal. That is 0.29 mm. The zero error is minus or negative 0.01 mm in this case. So the initial reading, of course, will be 12 mm plus 0.29 mm equals 12.29 mm. That's the initial reading if you use this with zero error. So how do we correct that? The corrected reading will be main scale reading plus circular scale reading minus the negative zero error. So that will be 12 mm plus 0.29 mm minus 0.01 mm. So that will be 12.3 mm. And negative zero error, we actually add that error to the initial reading. So that's how we do it. Okay, so if you have some questions, you can write down comments down below the video. So maraming salamat po. Please like, share, and subscribe kung may natutunan kayo dito. And please support my science channel, Physico Matematico. Hanggang sa muli, next topic po ay sa part 6 ay vectors and scalars. Maraming salamat po.